Hello my lovely people, it's your able girl your Totaye when they bring una ogbonge news all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbe small na gather your man yarn una the tori as e dey hot. Today we wan talk about how the presidency take the decision of the southern governors to ban the open grazing of cattle. So the presidential spokesman wey dem dey call Garba Shehu come tok on Monday wey be 24th of May 2021 say the southern governors action dey very questionable legality, giving the constitutional right for Nigerians to move about freely. So the presidency e condemn am say because e no get any solution to insecurity wey dey face the country. I no know why all these northerners dey always think say cattle wey dey move about get freedom of movement to go destroy people farm. I no understand these people. So the human rights lawyer wey dem dey call Femi Falana SAN don come reply Garba Shehu on Tuesday wey be 25th of May 2021 say the presidency stance for the matter don break apart the country to help the process of several threats to the country unity by separatists. I believe say this man reply am well because e don already show the separation between the whole country. Many people for that country they no well at all. Wetin dey happen be say they just be like confused people up and down. So the way Fulani herdsmen dey kill people, dey destroy people farm, e good for Garba Shehu. So Dr. Doyin Adebowale wey be senior special assistant to governor come talk in Akure say Garba Shehu don show his real motive for the people, the kind person wey e stand for the country. Say for this comment wey e talk so mean say e no dey serve the president, e dey do on im own. Say e comment e dey very suspicious, so make people do wetin take note. Say Mr. Garba Shehu na major supporter to the current extensive control system wey dey happen for the land. Too much confusion from all of them. This one go decide this one go say no. They no just get political order at all. For me, the southern governors they need to dey more very serious. So to stop to dey fear the northern elders, every governors they need to stand up to say the truth, to save their people from the hands of the Fulani herdsmen. Make dem not keep quiet for the northerners, because e just be like say any decision when the southerners governors make, the northerners people they always dey kick against am. So my people, now say ma do wetin call let una know. Let's go straight to our second news for today. The Ono government don come do their normal service again. They don come attack the Ezeagu Police Division for Enugu State on Tuesday wey be 25th of May 2021. So during the process, the police wey try to exchange gun battle with them, 4 of the police they lost their lives. The government they come enter the station, free everybody wey dey for detention. They pack the police ammunition come outside, then they come put fire for the police station. They also burn motor when they park for the police station. So my people, now say ma do wetin come let una know. So my people, make we go straight to our third news for today. The Sultan of Sokoto when they call Saad Abubakar Tiri don come out come talk say make President Muhammadu Buhari, the president of Nigeria, to come explain to Nigerians wetin e do with the money wey dem recover from the ones when people loot. Say make the president come explain to Nigeria how much im don recover from the money wey dem loot. So Nigerians they need explanation where the money, the thing wey they use the money for, make the president come explain to Nigerians. Say this explanation dey very very important, because the way things dey be for the country, no better education, no better road, no light, nothing. So all these things they need serious government attention so as dem no dey see anything and dem know say Nigerians dey recover a lot of money when they loot, so dem wan know make e come explain where the money dey, how e waka pass, make e come do wetin, explain, because the thing dey very very important to Nigerians. Say make all Nigerians no do wetin, keep quiet again, because it will badly affect the fight against corruption in the country. Who know whether na all those money dem take dey pay ransom up and down, so make e come do wetin, explain, make people know wetin dem don use the money do, because a lot of Nigerians no know. Road no good, anything no dey work out, so dem no know wetin dem don use the money do. The Sultan of Sokoto say make e come do wetin, explain to Nigerians. So my people, now say ma do wetin, come let una know. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update news.